Alright guys, my name is Lucky. Welcome back to my tutorial, and in this video I'm going to be teaching you what a do while loops is all about. Do while loops. In the last video we talked about a while loops with password validation, and in this video we want to talk about a do while loops. A do while loops allows a statement to be run at least once and then check a condition. If the condition is true, it displays the same thing. If it false, it quits. Now, this is how it works. Let's just say we want to print out a menu, and an integer. Let's just say int selected menu, selected menu, and then we'll just say cout, print out. Please select from the listed option. I think that would better English. End line as well, and then let us say again. Sorry, again. What? I really don't like my code like this, but I think that will be okay. Great. Good. So this one, please select from the listed option. What do you like to eat today? What is on your mind? I like chocolate. Do I like that? My girlfriend like it a lot. Chocolate. Oh, great. Okay, chocolate. What again? What does my girlfriend like again? Like beating me up, but I can't write that in up. Okay, so I think you also like beverages, right? And what do I like? I like telling her that she's beautiful and sometimes ugly, but I'm not gonna write that. I'm just gonna write what do I like? Bread, like that, white bread, anyway. And what else do I like? I think samosas. Samosas. I like that. Samosas. Those Indian food is very nice and tasty, delicious. And then what else? Okay, I think that's enough. Let's just take that one out. And let's just say in where is it going to store it? Selected menu. Selected menu. Right. Now this is where do while loops comes in. Do this. Sorry. Sorry, I was supposed to put it in the inside. Do this. While what? While selected menu is not equal to 0. Let's just say press 0 to quit. Cout end line, press 0 to quit. Good. Now what this thing does is this. It's going to print this one once. When we run it, it then need to check a condition when it allows us to enter a number. Whatever we enter, is not equal to 0? Yes. Okay, what do we do? Let's just find out how it works, and so that you can see. Do while loops. Do while loop. With what? With beverages? No, let me just leave it that way. Okay, great. Oh no. Do while loops. What? Did you see? Because we did not terminate, which is very wrong of us. You know, for a beginner, this might be difficult, but you must always know that it always give a claim, maybe a place. Always check your message box, like expected token, you know, before while, something like that. I think. Oh no! 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 Why is it like that? Why is it like this? Why is giving us a problem? Now let me at least also give you another option on how to solve this, another way to solve this. Alright guys, this is the problem that we just wrote. We capitalize this. You see, C++ is a high level language, and so it really takes, if you made an error with this, if you have a syntax error, it will always give you a problem. Let me run it so that you can see. And then it was like a while loops was not a while is not declared in this scope. It's thinking that it's a variable. As you can see, it's not bluish. But if you just use small letter, did you see it changes? So the guys, be careful also, don't repeat this mistake that I actually make. So with the while loops, it displays the program once and allows you to enter a number and then check. So let's just say we enter 1, it displays again, enter 2, it displays again, enter 3, 4, displays again. But if you enter 0, it will quit. That is how a while loops are. Where does it apply? Have you ever seen yourself after purchasing a menu, I mean from purchasing a website, I mean you've developed a program, you saw a program that display a menu like add item, modify item, and after you have added the item, it displays the menu again for you to like add again. Do you want to add again or edit or and all that? That is how, this is where do while loops comes into handy. It displays an item once and allows you to perform some operation before actually giving you an option to quit. Right, thank you very much. If there's a comment, please leave it below, and if there is any question, well, leave it below. Please don't forget to subscribe because I will really appreciate that.